What's happening, guys? Miles Miller. Happy 2023. Today let me just touch on biceps. Allow me to explain to you my top 4 exercises that I treasure the most when it comes to biceps. Onto my first one is preacher curl. The reason why I love preacher curl is because I don't want to compromise on my form. I don't want to bounce my body. I just want to strictly focus on the biceps. And when I'm doing preacher curl, I'll use the easy bar. I want to use the straight bar. The straight bar, it will give me unnecessary pain on my elbows. Why? Because again, it's not designed for the natural movement. So that's why the easy bar is curved, in case you're wondering. That's my number one. Number 2, I'll go for alternating curls. Alternating curls using dumbbells or cable machines. It's because I want to focus on unilateral movement. The one advantage thing about unilateral movement is because it gives you a proper mind-muscle connection. Assuming you're doing alternating curls, so it's left and then right. You want to focus on both sides, because if you don't pay attention, you'll find out you're overdoing one side over the other. So maybe you do left 12 and then right 8. It will cause what? Muscle imbalance. Another thing, before I go to number 3, you'll notice that on the preacher curl, it's more bilateral. So bilateral, it's mostly for strength training. I'll focus on strength. Unilateral, I'll focus on hypertrophy. So that is my number what? My number 2. Number 3, I'll go for anything like overgrip. Say reverse curls. So I'll do reverse curls because I want to strengthen my forearms and also my grip. So whenever I'm doing deadlift, whenever I'm doing bent over row, I won't have to use the straps, because again, I've already strengthened my what? My forearms and grip. Last exercise that I treasure the most is hammer curls. Hammer curl is basically for your forearms. Here I'll go heavy on the forearms because again, I want to have strong, thick forearm. Whenever I'm doing rows, whenever I'm doing back, it becomes easier for me to rock and roll. That's it. I'm not saying that we don't have any other variation. We have so many variations, but the ones which I've given you are my top 4. It's not like I don't try the other ones. I do them, but the ones that I do the most are the ones I've just mentioned. You give me your top 4 biceps exercises and I'll be glad to try them out. Till next time, peace.